We'll have breakfast now and yung family natin makikita natin. Good morning. Morning. Good morning, Lola, Lola, Tita.
Good morning.
Morning, Lola.
Good morning.
Yes. Miss na daw kayo
No, I don't miss
ng busy Manila. Oh, may car pa.
Mommy,
Ayun.
look,
Yes.
this part of the wall is out.
Oo nga, wag mo hawakan.
Mommy, it has a fight. Mommy, it has a fight.
Yeah. How about like this? Like this. Like this. Oh, one more. Like this. Magla-lunch daw tayo sa across ng resort. So, hanapin natin. Yun. Doon yata tayo. Sands! Ayun o, Sands. Afternoon treats. Ayan, dyan lang. Across. Uy, maganda rin doon. Ang dami naman maganda.
Mommy, my cap, the wind, my cap.
Yeah, that's why you hold your cap like Noah. Cake of the day. Wow, chocolate moist cake. Alright, we're here at Sands Restaurant. Wow. May Mendoza.
May taping yata.
May taping.
May taping.
Si Yaya Dog nandito. Ayan naman. Ano yan? Lechon kawali yan? Pares ba kayo?
Beef yan, beef.
Ah, beef! Oh, beef. Ito. Lechon kawali.
baka mo.
Yan naman. Enjoy. Pasta, simple lang tayo.
Parang for us, kanyari ni Alex.
Wow,
Ayaw naman
burger.
i-put down yung parang B1.
Chicken fingers.
Yan sa'yo? Oh, simple lang. Oh, si Tito, salad.
Sino may gusto ng
Wow, ham. Ayaw ni Tito ng ham. Crispy ka.
Yeah.
Sarap? Panalo. Oh, approve. Ito pa. Ito pa yan. Oh, buso niyo na yan. Katabi mo na, bro. Kainin mo na yan. No daw. Ano, Tita Am? Ano masabi mo?
Try natin.
Competitive ba yung lasa?
Reach up to here.
Mas edit mo yung maraming
Para
sparkle, gano'n.
nalulungkot siya dahil nauubos na.
Sarap, it melts in your mouth.
Yun, sarap.
Mommy, why? We'll see you.
Bye-bye! See you in Manila! Bye, Lola! See you ulit! Bye! Dito tayo sa Royal Duty Free Shop.
I do need to buy a lot.
Not really a lot. Toasted oats?
Wait, there's a
25.
quiz. Mommy, look, there's
Those
a quiz,
chocolates.
Mom. There's a quiz.
Yep. Crunchy granola raisin. Ito, for mom.
Oh, what?
Let's get some.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Ito, gusto niyo to? 360. Uwi natin iba. Okay, so we got some cereals and milk. Let's check how much this is. Come here, guys.
checker.
250.
My turn.
Isa lang. 1.60.
My turn.
$2.
$2.
Yep. Oh, let's go!
That's pineapple.
Pineapple yan eh. Para sa'yo. Yeah, oh! Ano ba yan? Ito na yung pinamili natin initially. Cute nito. Steering spoons. Let's go!